Pull out a shirt for important meetings and it looks wadded up for weeks. Traditional irons are slow and awkward. This 1100-watt handheld garment steamer gets clothes crisp and professional in minutes. The powerful heating element reaches optimal temperature in just 20 seconds, faster than coffee makers. The 300-milliliter water tank steams multiple garments without constant refilling, perfect for entire outfits. It works on hanging clothes, steaming garments right in your closet without bulky equipment. The cleaning brush attachment removes lint and pet hair while steaming for fresh, polished looks. The compact handheld design is perfect for travel. Throw it in suitcases and never worry about wrinkled hotel clothes or business trip disasters. Works on virtually any fabric: cotton, silk, wool, polyester, even delicate items you'd never risk with traditional irons. Use at home for quick touch-ups, traveling, or keep in offices for emergency wrinkle removal before presentations. This becomes indispensable once owned. The link is in the description and comments.